Hi. Opening an account with iForex takes a few technical steps, such as first filling out some basic details about who you are, but you can be sure that your information will remain completely confidential. Rest assured, we're here to guide you through it so you can finish it in one go without having to Google any questions. How about that? Start by selecting a title, just a formality, then enter your first name. Please write the one that's on your ID, not your favorite nickname. Then it's your last name and then your phone number. Having your phone number on file will make communications easier in cases of deposits or withdrawals, like getting your IBAN number for a faster resolution. When it comes to nationality, choose the one that corresponds with your identification document and check the box below. If you don't live in the same country as your nationality, keep the box unmarked, and we'll get to that later. Now for the address part. Please use the address you live at now. As a financial organization, there are some details that laws and regulations require we collect. So, street address goes here, and there's extra space if you need it below, then your city or town. Type in your zip code and a province or state if that's relevant. How do you know if it's relevant? If you include it when you order from Amazon to make sure the delivery guys find the right address, then you should include it here too. Your place of birth isn't necessarily where you live right now, but knowing that helps us verify your overall identity details. Providing your date of birth is another helpful tool to ascertain you really are who you say you are, and may also help us remember sending you a birthday card. Now we get to some questions about money, which is always awkward. Your answers to these set of questions will help us fight money laundering schemes and make sure the money we take under our roof is all legal. It's also the law. Choose your occupation. The origin of funds means where the money you'll invest comes from. It could be your employment paycheck, a savings account, or pension. The reason we ask for your expected investment amount is just to make sure you sustain a balanced account and you won't be investing too much of your income or assets. We're almost there. Are you in politics, or the Army, or a part of a royal family? If so, let us know. There are some extra details we may need to collect later on. And lastly, if you pay taxes to the U.S. for any of the reasons written here, like having a U.S. citizenship or you're considered a resident there, we need to know that too. And if you reside in any other country for tax purposes, you can select one from the list. Hey, you're done. How easy was that? Depending on your answers to this questionnaire, you may encounter a few more questions that we haven't covered here. If they pop up, make sure to answer those as well. From all of us here at iForex, we wish you success in all your trading endeavors.